For many organizations, managing compliance means spreadsheets, shared folders, and knowledge locked in one person's head. And if that person leaves, so does your ISMS. IO was built to replace all of that. Getting certified without a structured method would mean starting from a blank page and building everything manually. In IO, our Assured Results method, ARM, maps out every clause, task, and document in the right order. Customers using ARM achieve a 100% first-time success rate, and for teams already managing compliance, ARM keeps ongoing obligations on track, so nothing gets missed at renewal. In a manual, folder-based system, your policies, assets, and risks live in separate places, with none of them talking to each other. In IO, it's all connected. We give you pre-built policy packs ready to tailor and roll out, with automated approvals and tracked acknowledgements. Create an asset register in minutes from our pre-populated asset bank. View all your risks at a glance from the risk map, and link them directly to the controls they affect. Update one thing and the whole picture stays accurate. No more searching through folders for evidence when audit time comes. IO keeps everything in one place all year round. Plan your audit schedule, log findings, assign corrective actions, and track them through to resolution. Every step evidenced and time-stamped, so when the auditor arrives, you're ready, and they get exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. It's just one of the reasons IO is loved by auditors worldwide. A folder on someone's desktop gives leadership zero visibility. IO gives everyone the picture they need. Compliance progress, open actions, risk status, upcoming reviews, all on one dashboard. The data is always current and always accessible, to the whole team, not just one person. Plus, you can connect with the systems you already use with our built-in integrations and public API, reducing manual effort and keeping everything in sync. At every stage, whether you're just starting out or managing your third surveillance audit, you're never navigating alone. Our virtual coach is built right into the platform with step-by-step guidance and expert explanations exactly when you need them. And our team of platform and compliance specialists are always available for the questions that need a human answer. Over 1,000 organizations have already replaced their spreadsheets and folders with IO. So whether you're just starting your compliance journey or strengthening an existing ISMS, we're ready to show you what it looks like for yours. Book your personalized demo today.